everyone, my name is Unkar and welcome to the Cloud Hero, and today I am going to show you the complete overview of Azure Calculator, how we can calculate the cost in Azure Calculator. So this is the Azure Calculator. In your browser you just need to type Azure Calculator, and after that click on a first link so you can automatically redirect to the Azure Calculator. So you don't need to sign in with your account, no need to pay any amount for the Azure Calculator, that is freely and open source available over the internet. So let's proceed with the agenda. In this complete video I am going to show you how we can calculate the cost, how we can change the currency, how we can download that calculated cost estimate and everything. So today's demo is completely related to the virtual machine storage account. I'll show you how we can calculate the cost of virtual machine and storage account and many more things. So let's proceed with the agenda. So the overview of this complete Azure Calculator is, first thing is search bar. So you can search any type of services in this search bar because of Azure have a large services, huge services. So sometimes we are not able to search out that manually, so we can check out that through the search bar. After that, all services are segregated within a different form like compute, network, storage, web, mobile, container, database and many more things. Some services are available in your right side like virtual machine, storage account, SQL database, app service, Cosmos DB, Kubernetes, functions, services and the Azure cost management and billing. Because of these are the some favorite services, so that's why these services are available in a right side section. So let's jump on a virtual machine so I can show you how we can calculate the cost. So I just need to click on this virtual machine. Otherwise, if you are not able to see the virtual machine in your favorite section, you can search that through the search product or search bar, right? So I'll directly click on a virtual machine. So it will automatically open one pop-up and we just need to view that pop-up. So pop-up is open, view it, and you will automatically redirect in the main page, so where we are going to calculate the complete cost. So before calculating the cost, I would like to tell you sometime what's happened if I'm Indian and I need the cost in Indian currency, or I need a cost in a Canadian dollar or any other currency. So how I can take that? Currently it's default in dollar. So drop down and check out in your right side, we have one drop down section where you can choose your currency. So I'm going to proceed with the Indian rupees. So I have selected the Indian rupees, and whenever we are checking the left side, we have options. Once we calculate this cost, we can export this cost. Export means we can download that, we can save it. Okay, if you wanted to use that costing and you wanted to alter that cost, so you can save it, you can share the link with your colleagues. Okay, so that is also available over here. So let's jump on our agenda, where I'm going to explain you how we can calculate the virtual machine cost. So first thing is comes in picture, which is region. I need to select a region. So currently Azure have a 60 region in worldwide, right? So we can select the region which you want. Okay, so I'll go ahead with East US. Operating system, there are two types of operating system, Windows and Linux. So as per my need I can take any one. Okay, so my requirement is for Windows, I'll go with Windows. After that, type, so there are different types, BizStack, SQL Server, OS only. So I'll go ahead with OS only because of I need simple Windows operating system server, so I'll go ahead with OS only. After that, tier, always set up the tier as a standard. Okay, then categories, all, instance series, right? So instance series means what? Virtual machine sizes. So like Azure have a different types of sizes, right? A series, B series, after that D series, E series, N series, H series, many more. Every series have a specific reason. If I can talk about the B series, it's general purpose. E series, high optimization and computing power capabilities are comes in a picture. Whenever I'm going with N series, it's provide me a GPU, right? Graphics capabilities. So many more things are comes in picture whenever we are talking about the instance series. So I have set up instance series all. After that, instance, so let's select the size of the instance. So we have a different sizes of the instance, and as per our need and requirement we can choose that. So I'll go ahead with B series. So I just need 1 core 2 GB RAM. Okay, B1 MS series I have selected. After that, number of virtual machine. So currently I need only single virtual machine, so I have taken only one. 730 hours means 24 by 7 hours my machine is running. So it's depend on you. If you wanted to proceed with only on 9 hours, then you need to set up the automation for that process, right? So that capabilities are comes in picture, but it will save your cost. Suppose I'm using 9 hours daily basis, so 9 into 30, and the estimate calculation we need to add over here, and we can save our cost. So I'll currently set up as it is 730. Let's jump on the saving options, one of the fantastic options which is available for us from the Microsoft end. Okay, currently I have calculated this cost through the pay as you go cost pay what we are using, right? Suppose I'm using the particular virtual machine for the 1 hour, I'm responsible to pay the amount for 1 hour only. And the second and third option is most important and fantastic option. Suppose you have any application, you would like to host that application on Azure, and that application and application server we are using 3 year or 1 year or many more year. Okay, it's depend on the requirement, right? So we have a different option which is 1 year reservation, 3 year reservation. If I reserve my virtual machine for 1 year, I'll receive 35% discount. So let's check, if I reserve the virtual machine for 1 year, what type of discount I'll get, right? So let's click on a 1 year reservation, and I'll receive 35% discount. My cost will be directly reduced up to the 918 rupees only. Let's jump on a 3 year reservation, which is the large discount, 58%. So if I can jump over the 3 year reservation process, I'll get, you know, the larger discount, and my amount is only 668 rupees I need to pay monthly basis. So that types of capabilities are comes in a picture whenever we are talking about the saving options. Let's jump on another fantastic option, which is licensing. Okay, Azure hybrid license benefits. Suppose you are running on premises or any other cloud provider. Do you have some licenses? Okay, and that license have capability like 1 year or 3 year. So at that time you can go with your license. Okay, you can come with your license and you will get the licensing discount. So I'll show you how we can get that. So just click on a Azure hybrid benefit, and the cost will automatically reduce. It means the Microsoft Azure is saying that if you are going with your license, you will no need to pay the amount for licensing. So these are the different capabilities are comes in a picture. That's why Azure is the one of the fantastic cloud provider who have this types of capabilities. So currently my cost is 458 rupees only, right? So let's proceed and export this complete estimate. So I have exported the complete estimate, and I would like to show you that how we can see that and what are the different options are available after export. So you are able to see my screen. The service type virtual machine, region East US, description clearly mentioned, B1 MS series, 1 core 2 GB RAM, 3 year reservation I have selected, and my cost is 461 rupees only, right? So that types of capabilities are supported. Second is licensing program. So whenever I'm talking about the licensing program, Microsoft Online Service Agreement, we have selected AHUB Azure Hybrid Benefit, and my cost is something 461 rupees only. This way we can quickly calculate all types of costing. Easily we can share the costing with our friends in our office, everywhere. So you know that would be helpful for us to share this cost. So yeah, thank you so much to view my complete video, and you know, watch this complete video, and welcome to the Cloud Hero. Thank you.